to make social media become very powerful weapons for them, ya kan? So they can affect the people's mind, ya kan? They can affect the economy, they can affect the politics. So by just social media, they just they only control the words. The words is in their hand. Just by social media, I think. That's why in this era, I think social media is very important.
Okay.
The ban of the social media, I don't agree.
Oh.
Seems like you, man. Because social media is very important. Not because we are not capable of it so much, but we are trying to get better than this, right? Like Westerners, like Japanese, they're very good at this. So we're not just ignorant about this, and we cannot pull down ourselves. We cannot underestimate ourselves because I think we have a great potential intelligence to do this better than them, but we are not trying our best. That's why I think we will try our best to surpass them, and control what they have already controlled. Right? Okay, that's all for me.
All right.